Alright, let's look at the homework 4.5, problem number 5. Alright, so we want to find the absolute minimum value of this function over the interval from 0 to infinity, including 0. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's find the critical number by taking a derivative f prime of x is equal to. Alright, so we have to use the product rule here. Alright, so derivative of the first guy is 1 times the second guy is quantity x minus 4 squared plus first guy is x plus 8, and derivative of the second guy is 2 in front, keep the same quantity, subtract 1 from the power, first power, and then multiply by derivative inside, which is 1. Right, and this 1 doesn't really do anything, so I'm gonna erase that, and here 1 times doesn't really do anything, so we have that. Alright, then we can just factor out the common factor, so you have x plus 4 there. There are actually 2 of them there. Alright, so we're gonna put x minus 4. Alright, so what's left is x minus 4. Alright, then don't forget to distribute 2 to x and 2 to 8. So you will get 2x plus 2 times 8 is 16. Right? Then if you clean that up, you're going to get so x minus 4, and x plus 2x is 3x, and 16 minus 4 would be 12. Right? Actually, there's an extra 3 there, so factor 3 out. Then you get x plus 3 out of 4. Right? So set this guy equal to 0, which gives you a critical number, which is plus or minus 4. Right? So those are critical numbers. Right? Then you can see that on the interval, only critical number you have is positive 4. Right? Then I'm going to do another derivative. Right? So this is really a second derivative. Right? 3 is a constant. Right? Then we know that, so this is another product rule. Or we can multiply it together and use the power rule to take the derivative. But here, derivative of the first guy is 1 times the second guy plus first guy x minus 4 times derivative of the second guy is 1. Right? Then clean that up. You're going to get the 3. Right? So you have actually 4 plus negative 4 cancel out. So you have a 2x times 3. So it's actually 6x. Right? So critical number was 4, so we plug in 4 into the second derivative. So 6 times 4 is 24, right? Which is positive, right? So which indicates that we have a concave up shape, and we're looking at the critical number there. So we know that this is going to be so f of c, f of 4, is a local max, but better yet, this is the only critical number on that interval. So this actually indicates that the f of c, f of 4, sorry, is the absolute maximum. Right? So, sorry, absolute. I said that wrong. Right? Absolute minimum. Sorry about that. And here. The minimum and minimum there. Right? So we're looking for absolute minimum, so f of 4. So f of 4 is equal to, plug in 4, so that's 12 times 4, it's actually 0. Right? So x equals f of 4, which is equal to 0, is the absolute minimum. Right? So So absolute minimum occurs at 4, and the value is actually 0. Right? Check the answer. Got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.